Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see another example for GNF problem. So we have to convert this CFG into GNF format. So first step 1 is we have to check whether the given grammar is in CNF format or not, Chomsky normal form or not. So a variable tends to two variables or a variable tends to single terminal symbol means it is a Chomsky normal form. So here a variable tends to two variables, variable tends to single terminal, two variables, single terminal. So the given grammar is in CNF format already. Then step 2. So in step 2 we need to introduce variables for a1 a2 up to an for all the variables in the given grammar, in which start symbol must be replaced by a1. So we have to replace s with a1, a with abc, so a with a2, b with a3 and c with a4. So now we need to rewrite this grammar. So a1 tends to ab, so a2 a3, then a means a2 tends to terminal a, then b means a3 tends to ca, so a4 a2, then c, a4 implies ab, so a2 a3 bar the terminal symbol b. So now step 3. So in step 3 we have to consider each production one by one and try to convert it into GNF format. So now first I am going to consider a1 implies a2 a3. So we have to check whether it belongs to I less than j case, I greater than j, or I equals j case. So here I is 1 and j is 2, right? So I is less than j. I is less than j means we need to leave the production as such. So don't do any operation. So leave the production as such. So assume that this is equation number 1. This will be converted into GNF format at the end. Okay. So now after getting a2. So now the second equation. So the equation number 2 is consider this one, a2 implies a. So in this equation it is already in the GNF format, right? A variable tends to terminal symbol, so there is no need to do anything. So this is equation number 2. So now we need to consider the third equation. So a3 implies a4 a2, a3 implies a4 a2. So here I is 3 and j is 4, right? So I is less than j, so leave the production as such. So this is equation number 3. Okay, so don't do any operation now. Leave the production as it is. So now we need to consider the final production. So the final one is a4 implies a2 a3 bar b. So a2 a3 bar b. So here I is 4 and j is the first symbol, okay, the subscript of first symbol in the right hand side, so that is 2. So here I greater than j. I greater than j case means we need to replace this a2 with its production body. So what is a2 production? A2 tends to a. Okay, so we have to substitute this equation number 2 here. Okay, so we will get a4 tends to a3. Instead of a2 we need to substitute this, so a3 bar b. So now this a4 is in GNF format, right? Terminal, non-terminal. Here terminal alone, terminal and 0 non-terminal. So this is in the GNF format. This is equation number 4. So now if we see all the 4 productions, the production number 2 and 4 or already or in the GNF format, right? But 3 and 1 should be converted into GNF format. So to convert equation number 1 into GNF, we need A2. So we have to substitute the equation number 2 into 1 for converting 1 into GNF format. And similarly, 3. If you want to convert the equation number 3 into GNF, we need A4. A4 is already in the GNF format. So first substitute equation number 2 into 1, then 4 in 3. Okay, so next step is substitute equation number 2 in 1. So if you substitute like that, this is equation number 1. So A1, this is equation number 1. So A1 becomes A1 tends to A2. Instead of A2, we need to substitute A, right? So A2, A3 becomes A3. A3. Okay. So A3. This is equation number 5. Now we have to substitute equation number 4 in 3. So substitute equation number 4 in 3. So now this equation can be written as A3 implies there are two equations for A4. So first substitute A2, A3 in place of A4. So A2, A3, A2, A2, A3, A2. Then we need to substitute B here. So B, A2. This is equation number 6. So the final GNF, when we write the final GNF, our A1 is 5, A2 is 2, A3 is 6, and A4 is 4, right? So we have to write 5, 2, 6 and 4. 5, 2, 6 and 4. Sorry, one mistake is there. Here when we get A3, when we want to convert the A3 into GNF format, we have to substitute 4 in equation 3, right? So A3 should be substituted in place of A4. So this is not A2, A3, A2. A3 should be substituted for A4. So A3, A2. Then B should be substituted here. So BA2. So this is the equation number 6. So this is the final GNF. A1 tends to A3, A2 implies A, A3 implies A3, A2, BA2, and A4 implies A3 bar B. So in all the productions, the terminal symbol followed by 0 or more non-terminals. So this is the equivalent GNF for the given CFG. Thank you.